Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Son, I'm off to the market, okay?
Fine girl. Try your dress. Make sure you don't stay more than 2 hours.
Trust me, I won't stay long.
I'm serious. If it's still long, I'll lock you outside.
Don't worry, I'll be back soon.
Come on, shake your waist, sweet 16.
Bro, now your mama dey follow talk like that.
Yeah, that's my mom. That's how we roll in our family. Oh.
Bro, that is disrespectful. Bro, if I try this thing for my house, they go press my head with no. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Boy, how far now?
Young man, did you see your girlfriend?
I see that she said she dey go market.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh, I cleared that. I told her that if she stayed more than 2 hours, that's that I was going to lock her outside.
You not supposed to tell her that. You go lock her number.
Na lie.